You might be. Are your close? Like, can you see it well or no?
Yeah, I'm just zooming in now. There you go.
And then hit punch record.
It is recording.
Okay, so here's your problem. You got a hanging bar. You try to push it back. It doesn't connect. It's not far enough right there. And no matter what I do, I can't push it any further. It's not going in. And the reason why is it's not flush. I eventually could get it in, but it takes a lot of work. Doesn't work. You need to either trim the back of this here so it grabs better, or you need to come up with a whole new system. I would prefer to have these locks here rather than these, because these don't work properly.